All right, good morning. Happy Saturday to you. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. I hope you guys are doing okay out there in YouTube land. This is Jim Pierce. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. What I do, guys, is I look at the market and I look for structures of fives and threes, and I put them together according to Elliott wave theory and see if we can see where where the market might be heading. We use Fibonacci levels and as well as the RSI to help us in our journey. So with that said, guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, click the like and subscribe. You don't want to miss these updates. There's nobody on YouTube doing exactly what I'm doing, and it's certainly beneficial to your overall TA videos that you watch. With that said, let's jump in. Don't forget, not financial advice. I'm just showing you how I see the market. Okay, so let's jump in. Now, what we're looking at here is Bitcoin. I'm just going to give you right now the quick rundown of what it could be. I want to make this a very quick video, 5 to 8 minutes total here, if we can just get it quick. What we've got is an impulse off the top. Now, that impulse could be a standalone. It could have begun a new move to the downside. It could have begun a trend to the downside. Or it might ended a particular wave like this. It might have ended this wave, and this is beginning a new trend to the upside. Okay? So we got a couple of options, but we're not left in the dark here because it is up or down. It's always the case, but we're not left in the dark as what we could see, because what we have here is either an impulse wave followed by a three-wave correction, and now we're getting that impulse that I called for in the last videos. Okay, and we're about to finish the impulse. In other words, we have rolled over and now we're spiking to the high, and we're looking for 5 finished waves here to give us at least another pullback like that, or another move to the downside that goes deeper and makes lower lows. Okay, but the next move that I can see, guys, once this wave right here is finished, we're going to have a down move. Okay, whether, like I said, it goes down small or it goes down large, that time will tell, and we'll cross that bridge when it's time to cross that bridge. Okay, because there's really, what we need to do is just, as the market develops, we just need to follow what the market's doing. And what the market is clearly doing right now is making either there's 2 counts I have here. The bullish count says this was a wave 1 and that's a wave 2, and that we're getting another wave 1 and we're going to get another wave 2, and that's a 1-2-1-2 structure. That means we're going to be followed by a very, very bullish wave to the upside that's going to break the highs, and we're going to go crazy. Okay, now that's not my first count, but that's a possibility. The other possibility is, just to zoom out just a little bit more, there we go. This was the top of something, and we need 3 waves off the top. Okay, and so what we have here is an A wave. This right here, once it's finished, is a B wave, and then we're looking for a C wave, and that means we go down and make a lower low. Now, the ultra bear count here, the ultra bear count says that this was a finished 3-wave move to the upside on the larger time frame. Okay, this was a finished move, and once that finished move is done, we got a 1-2 to the downside. Now we're getting ready to go down 3, 4, 5. We're getting ready to go down big. Like, this wave is going to be massive. It's going to create lower lows of the correction. It's not going to be good. Now, we don't know which is which, but what I do when I don't know, some people say, well, how do you trade when you have so many options? Well, you look at every one of those counts that I just presented to you on the small time frame, and that's why I spend time on the small time frame, guys. There's hardly anybody on YouTube that does that. But everywhere on the small time, we're going to get a spike to the high. Okay, what's coming next most likely is a spike to the high like that. Okay, it'll spike up and create a 5th wave. I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need a 5th wave. Okay, and this whole thing is going to be a 5th wave to this structure right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got to finish. This is the 5th wave, okay, of a larger 5-wave move. Now, when 5 waves are done, guys, regardless what happens, is you're going to get a down move. You're going to get a corrective wave, okay? And it's going to correct this entire 5-wave move. So in other words, we're going to get a correction that's proportional to this wave at least. So what I do when I don't know what the market's doing is I trade directionally. Okay, if I know that I've got 3 counts that all say we need to go down from here, it may be down small, it may be down moderately, and it may be down really, really big. I don't know. But the next wave looks like it's coming down. So over the weekend, guys, I'm expecting a pump. I'm expecting this to finish, make its way to the upside. Now we could get a little bit more. We could get a little bit more complex on this wave before it goes up. So watch out for that. So we could get another move just like that, and then it goes up, and still going to get that upward move. What you're looking for is for this thing to finish, to go up and spike to the high, whether it comes down like this and then spikes, or it spikes right away. Hard to tell, but regardless, we're looking for a spike to the high to finish this wave. Once that's done, it's going to probably play around a little bit up here, and then we're going to be looking for a reversal to the downside. Okay, so that's the way we're looking at the waves, guys. That's the direction I'm thinking about trading based upon this wave structure. Now, just to show you a couple of times where this has done this, and you say, you know, what can we expect here? Well, I mean, basically, when you get this rollover, come on, there we go. When you get this rollover, kind of a fourth wave, like right there, it kind of rolls over and it goes down. It creates hidden bullish divergence on the chart. Well, then you get this kind of spike to the high. That's a fifth wave. Now you see what happened after that. They just took it down 3 waves small, and then they took it up again. And this ultimately was a larger rollover. If you zoom out, it's a larger fourth wave, and this was a larger fifth wave. And for shenanigans' sake, they created this wave right there. Okay, so this was the top, I believe. I believe that this was a 3-wave move right there. That what we're getting now is a second 3-wave move. I'm expecting another 3-wave move to follow, at least at minimum. That's what I'm looking for. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. What we know right now, based on what I'm seeing here, guys, is that once this wave finishes, once this spike to the high finishes, okay, it's going to give me some divergence on the 1-hour chart unless it takes the divergence out and it wants to go higher, okay? And that's something we have to consider. The market can do that, and that's why we have invalidation points and we trade probabilities. It's not certainties. We never trade certainties, guys. Trading isn't about certainties. It's about probabilities. But nevertheless, once this happens, we have a high probability that we get a downward move. Minimum, I would say at minimum, to this range right here. Okay, if it comes down deeper, then watch out. We could be making some kind of an ABC like this, and we'll get a 1-to-1 extension of this first wave there. Okay, or the really bearish view is that we go down impulsively. So we can cross that bridge when it's time to cross that bridge, but right now I think this is sufficient enough information to know what's most likely coming. So we've got 2 options right now in the small time frame. Ultimately, I'm looking for this spike to the high. I want to see this finish somewhere. I've got a lot of confluence. I pulled the fibs earlier, and I've got 3 different Fibonacci levels stopping around 49.5, guys, around 49.5 to $5,000 to $50,000. Okay, but either this is going to roll over and do it again, okay, boom, 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 and then spike, which I'm kind of looking at as a strong possibility, or this is going to spike to the high, okay, but I'm looking more at the possibility of this coming down like that. All right, guys, there it is. I hope that helps you out with your analysis. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you liked what you heard and it intrigues you, I invite you to join the Discord where you can learn Elliott Wave alongside of us as well and trade alongside of us. You get 2 daily Discord videos every day, plus wave analysis and interaction all throughout the day. You won't find anybody more committed to their Discord than I am. I am not absent. I am very, very present. So I'd love to have you in there if you want to be a part of that. With that said, leave some likes, and hey guys, comment today if you would. Just blow up the comments. Let's blow up this video if you don't mind. That would help out the channel quite a bit, and my family would appreciate it. So thank you so much. You guys have a great Saturday. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.